Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing a whole house clean with me. It's Saturday, so we're just going to start from the bedroom, work our way to the back of the house, and get everything done. So if you need to get some cleaning done, get up and clean along with me.
I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loving me always. Please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know
eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
Oh my goodness, we have gotten so much done together. I hope y'all are getting motivated, staying motivated, whether you're watching this or just cleaning along with me. Now I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to straighten up the kitchen real quick and then move into the living room.
I hate this beer, it tastes so different. I hate these people, they're all so ignorant. I hate this song, it's like I'm alone among these friends I've always known. No, not ever, never, ever will you come home again. I gave all of me, you gave none of you. Yet I couldn't see all these lies were true. What do you say? Oh, when your friends ask why we broke up, what do you think? You did everything you said you never would. Gaslighting me when I found out that you could. Oh, what a shame. Oh, when your friends ask why we broke up, what do you say? What do you say? What do you say? I hate this train, shouts in my ear, and I hate the fact that you ain't here, and I hate that you sleep.
Alright y'all, I'm bringing out my big dog. This is my shark. I don't even think they make these anymore, but it is a duo upright, something like that. It works amazing. It's the best vacuum cleaner I have, hands down. But it's a cord, but that's fine. We're gonna use it. I'm gonna clean out the bottom of this one. I cleaned that one, as y'all saw, and then it spin for a few seconds and then it would stop spinning. So I'm just gonna use this. We'll see what the damage is. So this one is super gross. I'm going to wash this real quick and I'm going to get all of that out and then we'll be good to go.
For several weeks, no, not ever, never, ever will you come home again. I gave all of me, you gave none of you. Yet I couldn't see all these lies were true. What do you say? Oh, when your friends ask why we broke up, what do you say? You did everything
you made it this far in the video. If you are cleaning along with me, let me know if you got to sweating. It is hot outside, and we use air conditioning little wall units, so when it gets really hot, you're gonna feel it on the indoors as well. But hopefully you didn't see too much of my blue shorts. I need to buy some other ones that are darker. I need a navy blue pair, and I need a white pair, because these are the only little shorts I have that go with the light blue one dress. So I need some little shorts. Anyways, I've enjoyed y'all being here. I will see you back here very soon on the next one. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Lots of homemaking motivation, so I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.